Good day, traders. Welcome to another week of trading and welcome back to another episode of the Trading Blog. If this is your first time stumbling across my page, my name is Akil Stokes. I am a professional trader. I am also a trading coach over at tradingpower.com. This means I trade the markets and then I work with aspiring traders, helping them trade the markets too. This is a somewhat daily blog video that I like to post, letting you guys follow my journey and also hopefully giving you some tips that will push you along that path of becoming an independent, consistently profitable trader. Now, I got a very interesting question this morning over on Twitter. And if I scroll down, you'll see it right in here. Give me a second. Scroll down through the Twitter feed. By the way, if you're not following me on Twitter, at Akil Stokes RTM, go ahead and give me a follow. You can see I tweet some interesting things. But I got a question this morning from a trader who says, Akil, I need your help. Or Akil, I personally need your help. Can't you send me at least 20 signals so that I can grow my account? And the trader is asking, hey, Akil, I need help. I need to make some money. Can't you just send me signals? Can't you just tell me what to buy and what to sell? Can't I just follow what you're doing? That way I can grow my account. And my response was this. Let's say I did send you 20 signals to help you grow your account. What would then happen after I stopped sending them to you? Good question, right? By the way, Cowboy fans, sad day. Tony Romo retiring, or at least going into sports broadcasting. Would have loved to see him go to another team and try to make a playoff run. I think he deserves it. But anyway, and this is one of the reasons that the trader responded. A very good response. He said, good question, Akil, good one. I don't have an answer to that. I don't know what would happen after. And this is one of the reasons that when we started our trading education company, right, the whole mindset behind it wasn't to provide signals, right? We made a decision in our mission not to be money managers, not to open up a hedge fund, not to open up a prop firm, not to open up just a signal service. Our goal was to empower traders, to teach traders how to develop a skill that they can use to really help themselves, help family, help friends, help whoever for years to come. And one of the problems that we've always had with signal services is this. When you have a signal service, it's great, right? You're getting signals from a professional trader. They're doing good, so you're doing good, and you're making money. And that's fine if you know what you're using that signal service for. So if you're purposely using it just to grow your account, that's fine. But if you're someone that wants to take control of your future, control of your finances, it may not be the best path to take. Why? Because think about it like this. Let's say that I start a signal service, right? And you guys are following my signal service. We're doing great. We're making money hand over fist year after year after year. Right? You got to the point where you're reducing hours at your job. Maybe you're quitting your job and your whole thing is you just sit in the live room with me all day and we just take signals and we all trade professionally, right? Well, what happens when I stop? What happens when the day comes where I say, hey guys, I'm tired of doing this. I want to do something else with my life. I have other aspirations. I'm going to be shutting down the live room. I'm going to be shutting down the signal service. Where does that leave you, right? For a trader that has developed the skill, that knows how to trade, well, they can always just go on and trade on their own. They can continue doing the same thing with or without me. However, for the trader that was relying on me, relying on my signals in order to create income for themselves, where does that leave them? Well, now they're in trouble because they have no way to produce income. They don't know how to trade the markets, right? They can't do it on their own. Their only hope is to find someone else that also provides signals, right? Just as good. And you can see that can lead to a lot of trouble. So what I said to the trader, I said, it goes back to the old saying, right? You give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day. You teach a man to fish, he can eat for the rest of his life. And that's how I've always felt about the education side of thing and why that's so much more important than just giving you guys the answer. What are you going to do when I'm gone? And that's a goal for all of our teachers. We don't want you guys dependent on Trade Empowered to be successful. We want you guys using us to help you grow that skill and then eventually venturing off on your own, right? A good buddy of mine, a former course client, I guess not a former, you guys are always clients, but someone that had came through the course previously shot me an email the other day where he has just started his own signal service. He actually started a collective too, where he's going to be opening up his account for people to follow, growing that business, right? And that's something he's able to do because he has the skill of trading, right? He can take that skill of trading and grow a business out of it instead of just relying on someone else for buy and sell orders. And, you got to decide which path do you want to take? Do you just want to rely on someone for your income? Right? And again, that's okay if that's the intention. If you just plan on doing something on the side and using it like that, that's perfectly fine. But for you guys who have bigger dreams of creating a business, maybe creating a full-time income or just being able to get out of your job and trade while doing maybe another job or something else that you like, you probably don't want to rely on someone else for your success. That's never a good thing. So something to think about. And for you guys that are interested, you guys know we have tons of educational content over at tradeempowered.com. So we're not going to make this a big pitch, but go over to the website. There's something for traders of all levels. There's the basic course for people that are just getting into it, that people that want to know about brokers and pips and different type of orders and how that stuff works. Everything to our flagship program, the transformation course, where you got 4 teachers teaching you everything we know about trading. Again, the goal for those systems and those programs aren't for you to rely on us. It's rather to teach you a skill that you can provide for yourself one day. So pretty cool topic. I was going to get into some other stuff about, the technology crashes we had and the massive amount of work that we've been doing on the range bars in the live room. But you know what? I think we're good for today. We'll come back tomorrow with another topic. And until next time, plan your trade your plan. Good luck this week, traders. All right, traders, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our tradeempowered.com website or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.